I wish I was a spaceman, the fastest guy alive. I'd fly you round the universe in 5 or XL5. Way out in space together, conquerors of the sky. My heart would be a fireball, a fireball. Every time I gaze into your starry eyes. We take the path to Jupiter, and maybe very soon we'd cruise along the Milky Way and land upon the moon. To a wonderland of stardust, we'll zoom our way to Mars. My heart would be a fireball, a fireball, 'cause you would be my Venus of the stars.